Our next speaker is Oscar Baruffa. He's from Petco, and he talks about one-liners in R.
All right, so yeah, these are one-liners, packages that you can call in one line of code that will boost your productivity and make you love R even more. So where am I pointing? Can I do this? Great. So I just wanted to start off by saying thanks very much to the R community. I mean, I've been only using R for a very, very short amount of time. And it's really welcoming, and the organizers of this event have been great. And yeah, without just everyone being so open and welcoming, I wouldn't be here right now. And also just a note to any other newbies, I know there's quite a few of you around here, you definitely should consider putting a talk together for next time. All right, so I'm going to be looking at 3 packages. It's Beeper, DataExplorer, and Tidylog. All are installable via CRAN. Note with DataExplorer, there's the caps. I haven't tried installing it without the caps, so I don't know if that works or not, but I don't want to try. But anyway, that's there. So, and I'll be repeating the slide later. So Beeper, that's the first one. It's super easy. You just type in beep with a number between 1 and 11. There's 11 sounds, and it plays a sound. So that's pretty cool. There's, yeah, that's basically what it does. And so you include it at the end of a long-running script. And great. I suppose in an open office, you could maybe include it in a loop as well while you go for a meeting. And you'll be quite popular. So this slide, if it works, has sound. So let's see. No, okay, don't worry. Right, so just there's some very cool sounds. Go play with it. It's really fun. Right, then the next one is DataExplorer. This is also just super useful. What you do is you just create reports and you put in your data frame. In this case, it's a data set from quite a recent Tidy Tuesday of French train delays. And it spits out a whole lot of analysis for you. And I'm just going to highlight a few here. So here, for instance, is just some basic information about your data set, so how many rows there are, columns, how many of the columns are discrete or not. So you just get a snapshot of what you're dealing with. Then you get some more descriptive information like this. You can look at all the columns and what type of data each one is. And I found for me, this is just visually better than trying to look at everything in the console. Then you get some really, really awesome visualizations like this. So this is a missing data profile. So in this case, you can see right at the bottom, I mean, the text might be small, but it's a service variable, has 26% missing data. So that might immediately sort of guide your thinking about what you want to do with this data set. And, it might just save you from wasting time. Then it also spits out histograms of just about everything, which is really cool. And again, you can, like a lot of this, I find I would start doing quite early on, but you end up wasting like half an hour looking at some of these just very basic things, and now you can just have it all together in one go. And yeah, it's just pretty handy. It does a whole lot more stuff I don't understand that for some of you might be even more useful. Right, so then my favorite one is Tidylog, and basically it tells you what the dplyr functions are doing to your data. So in this case, I was just running a simple filter, and then it outputs for each operation, each dplyr operation, what happens. Again, you're learning a lot about your data. It will save you from, for instance, if you thought a filter was going to filter something else and you see nothing was filtered, there's a flag for you. I think it also can log all these to a text document as well, so if you want some history of what was happening. And also, for instance, if you're doing a mutate function, it'll tell you how many NAs have been created. I mean, maybe you're expecting none to be created. And yeah, so that's how you install the packages. You can just have another look. Just a quick mention, I've got a YouTube channel called Other People's R Stats. Yeah, because my R is really terrible, so I like looking at other people's. And I have a look. I try to keep the videos quite short. If I get when I get to 100 subscribers, I can apply to YouTube for a custom domain name. So you can all help me be very cool and have my own domain. And this is how you can get in touch, especially via Twitter. Please, I'm making some of my best friends in life on Twitter. So I'd like some more friends. Thanks very much.